Market open September 1st. Let's have a good September. Zoom's on watch. Zoom had earnings yesterday. They went up 43%. When a stock goes up that much, keep an eye on it. Also keep an eye on the upside, because imagine shorting it. All the people who shorted it, they have to buy the cover. They have to buy back those shares. We might catch a bounce on Zoom. And I don't know why my laptop sounds like it's overheating or something. It bounced off pre-market lows. Maybe a bounce at 470. Well, let's buy 10 shares. Stop buying dips. Let's buy 10. Why not? Let's buy a call on Zoom. Dang. Let's get a 500. If it can get to 460, you can get to 500. Why is the open interest not showing up? Alright, hold on. We're going to wait. So why does my laptop sound like it's going to explode? How did I... 437? That's horrible. It's a horrible fill at 437. We definitely missed Zoom. Because we were looking at it over here, and we didn't want to pull the trigger. We would have been up 15 points off the rip. Now let's focus on Zoom for now. Let's get 90 shares. It's already above the 433. We don't need to wait until 460. We can buy now. Confirmation will be above 460, but we're still bullish. We're going to set a stop just in case. Run, run, run. Don't get filled, man. You got to be that quick. I thought you were just going to keep ripping. Is it too late to go in again or what? That's horrible. It's a horrible fill too, but we're bullish. Dang. Come on, Zoom. Don't ruin our vibes now. Are we mad? No. But Zoom is really ticking a player off. Nobody panic. 800 bucks. The fact that my laptop sounds like it's gonna explode is really getting me anxious. But we definitely did get in a little late. Stay strong, Zoom, you scumbag. Alright, we're green on the 5s. But are we nervous? No. Maybe we should have stuck with 10 shares. We were living good just 10 minutes ago. I just can't have a flush down. That's what I'm worried about. And I'm gonna be honest, I almost sold it. The only reason I didn't sell it was because I pressed the wrong button, which I do quite often. Are we scared? No. $1,000. Give me a break. Making $1,000 is easy. All I have to do is write a best-selling book, or start a profitable company, or rob a bank, or just get another job. Let's go. Push, push, push. I'm a real schmuck for that entry. And we were looking at it over here at the 418s. We would have been up. Oh my goodness. Still green on the 5s. We're holding this a lot longer than I should be, to be honest. That was a weak trade. We're not going in with full size anymore on this stock. We're going up 10. Call me a wimp, all you want, but I was just down 1,000 points in quick movements. And I almost had to close because you have to be responsible. Let me get out of this for a second. Let me go somewhere else. This is getting me anxiety. You know, we're gonna buy a call. That's what we should have done on the jump. Somebody please explain why my laptop sounds like it's gonna explode. 460, 460, 460. I'm taking some. Are we buying another 10 shares for a bounce? That Zoom play was not good enough because we literally was down $1,000. And that's not cool. It's quite embarrassing to be down 1,000 when we knew it was gonna go up. And we were looking at it over here, but we were too scared to pull the trigger. So what happens when you're too scared to pull the trigger? You get beat up. It was pretty much the first minute, so that's why we didn't jump in. Zoom is done for the day. What are we looking at now? Facebook? Facebook broke 295. We want 300. We have an area above 297.17, so let's get 297.50 and we might buy. Let's see what Zoom's doing. This was moving like a penny stock, and there's a reason why I don't trade penny stocks, because they give me anxiety and they move too much. Let's go. Let's get a break above 469.99. Alright, Microsoft, you're not moving enough, so you're out. I'm sorry, but we need movers. We need people with money on the board. And Boeing, you're out, because you've always been a dud. I'm all off. I just woke up, so you have to bear with me. I'm making a lot of technical issues. Let's short a little. Missing a big move is almost as bad as taking a loss, because you think like, oh man, if I dump 200 bands in this, a 15% move is what, 30 thou? We missed out on a lot of moolah. You are nuts. But do we care? No. Is it wrong to say I miss Apple at 500? NVAX at 103? Maybe lower lows? We believe NVAX is going to keep going down. You don't want 103 as the bottom. Like, who believes in that? Quick scalp. Alright, we'll buy another 25. Close it. Alright, this is the last time I'm buying. We want that 490 break. We'll close it. Alright, we're gonna buy a 300 call on just one, just a measly one. Because I think we're breaking 300 again today. And 300's a round number, and we dig round numbers. So we traded Boeing. We bought the dip on Boeing, Microsoft, and Tesla early in the morning because the market was selling off for no reason. So we bought the dip. We made a little bit of Chipotle money. I have one call option on Facebook. This week is 300 strike because I think Facebook is going to break 300 today. We had NVAX. We shorted NVAX because it hit a low a day. So we sold it for another low of low. And Zoom was a fight. We missed out on ridiculous amounts of gains. We almost sold for a large loss, but luckily she helped us out at 485. So adios.